I'm Nick. Welcome to Get Out and Wrench. Tonight, we're working on my new daily driver. This 2007 Audi A4 that a tree fell on. I'll put a picture up to show you what it looked like, but I had to replace the trunk lid as soon as I got it. So that's already been replaced, but the trunk lid was crushed and it was like caved in right here and all smashed. Got a matching trunk lid from the junkyard and I was able to get that on, and I had to do it quickly so I could keep the car outside and it wouldn't leak any water. But tonight we're going to be fixing the other part of the car that got damaged right there. The roof over the door got a little bent from the tree, and when you close the door the door doesn't seal all the way, so I'm gonna be making it better. Let me show you what I mean here. So we got a nice dent right here. There's one there. There's a couple more. But this is what I'm working on tonight. I got this. You can see where it's flat. This needs to get bent up, because as you can see, if you close the door, it doesn't. The door will close all the way, but it keeps this pushed out and up here, and when you drive it, it has a wind noise. So I'm gonna do my best here to make this better. I didn't pay a lot for this car, so I'm not really too concerned about the cosmetics of it. I'm more concerned about the functionality of it. It's all-wheel drive. Wintertime's coming. I got rid of my Jeep because that thing had to go. It was becoming a headache. This runs and drives really well. It just had all the maintenance done on it, and then a tree fell on it. So I scooped it up real cheap, and I'm gonna fix that. And we got a couple other little maintenance items here and there to do, and should be all set. So I have this porta power that I got from Harbor Freight. It's got your RAM, all your extensions. It's got these jaws. I'm probably not going to use those. I don't think I need those. It's got feet on it. Got this. I'll probably need this little rubber thing so I don't mar up what I'm doing. But basically, my plan is to use this to push up on that roof piece enough to get it so that that door closes. Alright, so here's what I got. I have this thing, extended up with some legs on it. I'm going to use that rubber block on the bottom there. I'm going to balance it up, and I'm going to press on the door frame, Okay. Alright, that's too tall. Let's readjust a little. Shorter guy. Okay. So like this, and then I gotta get the pump up here somewhere so I can use it. Because right now it's on the floor. And it seems like it's working. Alright, I definitely pressed it up some. I think it's gonna go a little more. But this is definitely working how I had planned. Usually stuff doesn't work like that. Okay, the rubber piston might be, or the rubber topper might be too rubbery. I don't recommend trying any of this at home. Let's see what this does. This is going to destroy this thing. I know it. Alright, let's just see how that door closes. It's definitely better. It's definitely way better. We'll have a big gap right here, so that's good. I might need to get a little more. I'm just gonna go back to the rubber part. leave that before I start messing it up anymore. I mean, it's already messed up a lot, but that seems to be working too. This is a 4-pound dead blow, and then this is just another dead blow. That looks pretty good. Alright, now let's move all our stuff out of the way. Boom. It's got to come up a little more, but that's way better. It's also got to come out some, but I don't really know how I can do that. But I'm gonna call that good. Bend the top of the door frame a little bit. Boom, nice and tight. Might still get a wind noise. Let's see if I can bend that out a little bit with something. Try and bend this out some. Might need a little bit more than a plastic pry tool. Maybe it's a regular flathead screwdriver. Maybe it's got to go down a little now. I guess when I test drive it, we'll see how the wind noise is, and then I'm gonna have to do something about this paint. Otherwise, I'll probably start getting rust. So I might just get some clear coat to put on this, and then I mean, it should be good to go. I wish I could get this out a little more. I mean, if I put a roof rack on here, you'd never even know. So maybe I'll do that. Alright, I like that. I'm happy with that. The door shuts nice. It didn't take me that long. So I could always revisit this again and mess around with it a little more, but I think it's good for now. We'll see about putting something on this for the paint so this doesn't rust. It does have primer underneath here, but I'm happy with that. So I'm gonna call that good. I'm gonna call that good for now. Door closes. I don't have any crazy gaps here, which is nice. So I'm happy about that. It's the best it's gonna be. I mean, a tree did fall on it and crush it, so it's not perfect. Well, that's gonna do it for today. I got this door closing nice, so I'm happy about that. I'm gonna start driving this thing, put my miles down, save myself some money on gas, and I'm sure I'll have other projects to do on this car. It does have 197,000 miles on it, so it probably needs a couple things here and there. Hit that like, share, subscribe button. Share this video. Check out some of my other videos. I got a lot of cool other projects that I'm working on. I'm Nick. Get out and wrench.